Hello and welcome to today's video on future food. In this episode, we're going to explore the exciting world of insect-based products that are emerging on the market. Yes, you heard that right. Insects. These tiny creatures are packed with nutrients, sustainable to produce, and have the potential to revolutionize our food system. So, let's dive in and discover the innovative insect-based products that you can find on the market today. First up, we have insect protein powders. These powders are derived from insects like crickets and mealworms, which are rich in protein, fiber, and essential amino acids. Insect protein powders are not only a sustainable alternative to traditional protein sources like meat and soy, but they also have a lower environmental footprint. They can be used in a variety of ways, such as adding them to smoothies, baking them into protein bars, or even incorporating them into savory dishes for an added nutritional boost. Next, we have insect snacks. Gone are the days when snacks were limited to the usual chips and chocolates. Now you can find a wide range of insect snacks on the market. From roasted crickets and mealworms to cricket-based energy bars and even chocolate-covered insects, the options are endless. These snacks are not only delicious but also highly nutritious. They are a great source of protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. So, the next time you're craving a snack, why not give insect snacks a try? Moving on, let's talk about insect-based burgers and sausages. With the rising interest in plant-based diets and sustainable food alternatives, companies have started experimenting with insect-based meat substitutes. These insect burgers and sausages are made from a combination of plant-based ingredients and ground-up insects. They have a meaty texture, are loaded with flavor, and are a great source of protein. So, whether you're a meat lover looking to reduce your environmental impact or a vegetarian curious about trying something new, insect-based burgers and sausages are definitely worth a try. Last but not least, we have insect-based pet food. Just as insects provide a sustainable protein source for humans, they can also be a fantastic option for our furry friends. Insect-based pet food is gaining popularity as a sustainable alternative to traditional meat-based pet diets. Insects like black soldier fly larvae are highly nutritious and can provide the essential nutrients that dogs and cats need. Not only does this benefit the environment, but it also reduces the strain on the meat industry. In conclusion, the future of food is looking incredibly exciting with the emergence of innovative insect-based products on the market. From protein powders to snacks, burgers, sausages, and even pet food, insects are proving to be a sustainable and nutritious option. So why not give them a try? Not only will you be expanding your culinary horizons, but you'll also be contributing to a more sustainable food system. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more fascinating topics on future food.